What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Tom McCoy YouTube channel. I am standing here next to this gorgeous piece of machinery that is the mishap of the Peterbilt 362 windshield. So I have some updates on that. So I called around today. Today's Monday, and I was able to call around the Peterbilt and a few other people, and I was able to track down some windshields. I have some news if anybody's looking for a Peterbilt 362 windshield. They are available. LTG Peterbilt of Charleston has 5. Now mind you, they are $500 a piece, and I just wasn't going to pay that. I'd have to drive. It's a 10-hour round trip for me, plus $500, plus gas in my pickup truck. Yeah, just wasn't going to pay that. So I called around, found a local glass guy that can cut this windshield, deliver it to my door for $250. So I jumped on that opportunity. It is ordered, and it should be delivered tomorrow afternoon, and then we will continue with this project. And also, just from this truck sitting out, the windshield was only broke to like right there before, and just from it sitting in the truck and the heat and everything, it just cracked all the way from here, all the way up, and all the way over. So I asked them if I can get it out without breaking it anymore, which I don't think should be a problem since it's all new, you know, gasket and everything in there. If I brought from the broken part over to here, if they could cut me a spare windshield for purple, and possibly corner glass and another corner glass for the driver's side, because underneath this little IDA sticker, you can see it right here, it's broken. It's always been broken, and they have fogging, all that stuff. So hopefully, even though I broke this Peterbilt windshield, it will not be a complete waste. I will be able to get some extra glass for purple that way. So that's the goal, and that's what we're hoping for. I just wanted to give y'all an update on what's going on with the windshield with the 362, and I guess we'll see what happens whenever the new windshield gets here. But I'm pretty happy. Delivered to my door, $250. You know, I can't beat that. There's no way I can beat that. So I guess we'll get back to you when we get the windshield and they get it dropped off. And also my good friend Kellen, which in my thumbnail you'll see me wearing a Pork Chop Express shirt. He found me the center windshield wiper arm, which I never had. So I'm gonna have a center windshield wiper arm. I'm also gonna have an extra whole blinker housing and one reflector. So I'm still gonna be one reflector short, but hey, it's a lot better than having none. So I'm pretty excited about that. Kellen's a good friend of mine. He's been building a K100 for the last couple years, and he always calls me on advice and asks my opinion, and we've really got to where we, you know, talk on the phone now, and it was always just email, and then now we talk on the phone. But yeah, he sent me a cool ass shirt the other day. Actually, I just got it today, and I'm really excited about it, and it's pretty cool to have fans that reach out to you and send you stuff. But I just wanted to share, give you an update on what's going on with the Peterbilt here and the windshield situation, and we're gonna get it taken care of real soon. But it is ordered. I was able to get it for a lot cheaper than I expected, and that makes me happy. So, and in other news, I don't know if I've told y'all yet, but I am going to the 75 Chrome Shop show, so y'all can catch me down there. Purple will not be at the show, but she will be parked close by. I hadn't planned on taking Purple down, but I booked the last minute load, and Purple's going to be close by. So it's going to be interesting because it's going to be a family of 4 going down to Florida in a small bunk K100. I got a 2-year-old daughter, and I got a 4-year-old son, and my wife and me, and we're gonna be going down to deliver a load, and then we've got a hotel, booked, of course, and we're gonna go to the hotel after that. But just a 7.5 hour journey down to Plant City to drop our load, and then back up to Wildwood, and then we have to have the trailer back and dropped off by 9:30 Sunday morning. So we're gonna be there most of Friday. We're gonna catch Friday night light show, at dusk, and then we are gonna be there all day Saturday, and then we're gonna hop back in the truck, and we're gonna bring the trailer back on Sunday. So yeah, it should be really interesting having 4 people in a small bunk K100, but I'm glad that we got a load down, because that pays for a trip, plus a little bit, pays for fuel, and that's the idea. Going to a truck show, you want to take a truck. Of course, it won't be at the show, but it'll be nearby, so it should be either at the TA or the Flying J or Pilot, whatever's down there. I can't remember, but yeah. So keep a lookout for Purple. She'll be down there parked close by the show somewhere, and I hope to see you there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you there. Bye.